dito.
Yan, hello guys! Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. So another eating adventure na ating ipapakita ngayong araw sa vlog na to. So nandito kami ngayon sa Manila Prince Hotel and nagpabook kami for a dinner doon sa kanilang Dragon Court restaurant. So we will try yung kanilang promo rate ng kanilang shabu-shabu. Kasi normally I think nasa 688 ata ito. They have different options. Papakita ko mamaya doon. Kukuha na natin. But ngayon, naka-promo sila ng around 500 plus lang siya. So this is until August 31. Pero parang may nakita ako sa post nila ngayon na hanggang June, they have the promo. Pero check na lang natin. So, papakita namin yung mga pagkain na available dito. So, samahan nyo ulit kami. Pasok na tayo, guys.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening?
Kain ng peanut butter. And then, ito, peanut with sesame sauce. Lagyan natin signature sauce. Ano ito? Satin. Lagyan natin yan. Ayan, lagyan natin ito. Minced garlic, hindi naman siya minced garlic. Parang cilantro po. Then, konting chili. So, yun lang. Okay, hindi ka tayo doon. Ano ito sa atin? What's this? Ano ata yan? Okay. Anong sauce yan? This is? Sige. Ayun, peanut butter. Para ano siya. Nice one. Ayun pala yung garlic. Yan. So, ito na siya, yung mga sinerve sa atin, yung noodles. And then, ito yung mga balls nila. Ito yung ano, no? Satay. And the other one is the spicy mala. Ayun yung chicken.
Chicken breast.
So, ito yung kanilang beef. Ayan. And tingnan ko nga yung ano, yung sliced chicken. So, the sliced chicken breast. Yan. Dahil hindi kumakain ng beef.
Because I don't eat
Beef and pork na ano.
chicken.
So, yan din yung ating ano kaya ito? Ito ata yung pork,
Beef,
no?
ano?
Pero ito yung beef, eh.
Beef din yan.
And then this is the sauce that we made.
Dito na.
Okay mo lang. Haluin natin yung sauce. Mix natin siya.
Yung nagdami ka na.
Yan. And then, yan. Lagay na natin yung mga balls. Lagay mo na yung balls and vegetables.
5 ano? Ang rate nila ngayon?
5, 6, 8 ba? Mamaya. Kaya natin. Hindi ko matandaan. Yan. So yan. Nakalimutan na mag-picture dahil sa gutom.
Lahat na ba?
Oo, lagay mo na. So yan guys, this is another eating adventure na ating isasama at ipapakita. Ganito ang itsura dito. So yan guys, boiling na yung ating ano.
Additional ano yun? Payment.
Ang alin?
Yung shrimp.
Wala ba? Meron. Hindi ba kasama? Chicken. Boiling na yung ating shabu. And of course, later on, we will try na siya with our dipping sauce. Ano madilim? Subukan na natin mga kaibigan. Parang medyo maanghang yung ano ata. Kailang di. Sarap. Let's try this. Ano kaya ito? Crab balls ba to? Let's see. Let's try it. There. So natin.
Tama na.
Kumain muna tayo. Grabe yung beef ko.
Ito, binikit.
Let's put the beef. Yeah.
Saan ka?
Hindi ko pa na-try yan.
Yung satay.
Spicy ano ata yan eh. Mala. Yes. We're going to eat first.
Ito.
So yan guys, just enjoying our Anli Shabu here at Manila Prince Hotel.
Di pa dito yung be?
Hindi pa. Inano ko lang sa video para makita nila. Yan. Ganyan ang mga shabu nila dito. Ito pa yung mga carbs natin. Ay, okay na yan. Oh. Thank you. Yan.
Kailangan tutusok din.
And ayan na po guys, naubos na namin yung aming hot pot na in order. Yan. So anong masasabi mo sa Manila Prince Dragon Court? Are you satisfied? Uy, sagot, Mar. Satisfied ka ba with the shabu?
Kinda.
Okay naman siya. No? Kasi naman.
Nabusog naman.
Oo. Madaming mga balls and meat. May chicken, may beef, and meron naman silang pork. So, yeah. So far, we had an enjoyable experience here at the Dragon Court in Manila Prince. Saan na ito? Located sa Ermita or malapit sa may United Nations o malapit sa Adamson. So, if you happen to be here, so pwede nyo rin puntahan. Yun. And now we're ready to bill out and we are going to use our GCash card. Anytime, anywhere, be ready. So ayan guys, we're done eating and ayun, nakuha na namin 548 yung kanilang price, no? For the promo rate nila till August 31. So kung pupunta kayo dito, check nyo na lang din sa Facebook page nila. I think may mga bagong promo sila, no? Para dito. So yun lang. Bye-bye ka na. We'll see you again sa aming mga susunod na vlogs. Bye-bye!